about that time, ain't it? It's about that time. 10mm blue point socket. Why the man playing with me, man? Take this shit off. Almost lost that bitch. Interesting. Alright, so I gotta do a little bit of finessing. 2 seconds. Grab the tool I needed. There we go. It's gonna get right. I think I'm gonna break that clip right there. I don't have to break it. Come straight up. That's lit. So I'm too short to reach right there, standing up, because the car's off the ground. I got me a little stool, shorty. Got me a little stool. Ah, there we go. So I'm taking it out right now. Taking it out. And I got a little fitting right here that goes in there. Just like that. It's out. The camera don't want to focus, but yeah, it's definitely out. There we go. Man. Alright, so now to put this fitting on there. Once I put the fitting on there, I can pretty much measure the line, how much I need by, sight. Cut it and run it into the distribution block. Fitting is in there, hand tight. Hit with a couple other W's. Cut the line and connect it. I found my adjustable wrench. I got like 1 million of these adjustable wrenches just laying around. And right now I can't find any. More than likely the adjustable wrenches in the car, but I'm gonna keep looking first. Yeah, who the fuck going to the car for an adjustable wrench? Nigga, I got a motherfucking 12mm, right? I got another one of these fittings. That bit fit. Oh shit. Yeah, that bit fit. So I'm finna tighten that shit with this. But only snug, not too crazy. Snug. Nah, I need to cut the line. Well, nah, I need to install it back first. To the firewall, then cut the line. Why the fuck the light don't work? Hold on, let me try this shit again. There we go. Can't even see what I'm doing from right here. You get the fucking point, though. The camera gonna fall. Watch this. There we go. Gang shit. Gang shit. That shit secure. Alright. So I think I'm gonna still run a line behind here. Yeah, so like this. Get your bitch ass up there. Like that. So it ain't touching shit. Oop. I'm gonna give it a little bit more from right there. So now I need a fucking razor. Fuck. I don't know. I'm trying to find the stupid ass line that I marked on that shit. But the fucking silicone, like, just absorbed that bitch. Like, I don't even see it. Bruh. What? I cut that bit. So now all I gotta do is just, put it right there. And then I'm done. No, shit. block. Oh, that's on there. Good shit. Also, if you was wondering what that line connect to, I'm about to show you right now. So it goes from the distribution block to that hole right there, to the Haltech. Gotta do it. I'm out of it.